Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week, week 48, is a fragrant plant. And I've got these flowers, got some roses there. Something you can drink from, I've got this bottle. Text in a foreign language, I've got this. People, I've got this couple. An illustration, I've got this little boy riding a horse. And the bonus is craft or brown paper. And I've got some craft paper down here. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right. Let's see what we've got here. Today, I'm filming this Saturday night, but when you see this, it'll be my husband's birthday. And I'm gonna cook for him tomorrow, Monday, because all the food we've still got left in church and everything. So he said he is fine with me waiting until Monday to fix his meal. Got everything. He wants barbecue chicken, and he wants a strawberry cake. It's his cake of choice. So I've got everything to fix that. Okay. Well, these are our main things to go down. So I'm going to work on that. And I will embellish. Not a whole lot going on. My son is at a birthday party for his girlfriend's grandfather. He is 100 years old. It's hard to... He's a blessed man. She's blessed. Both of her grandparents are still alive, and you know, they all lived, it seems to be too close to 100, their 90s and 100s and such. She still has all four of her grandparents. My boys, my husband's father passed away a year after we got married, so the boys weren't born yet. And my parents died when they were just real little. And they had their Mimi. That was my husband's mom. And I ended up getting to spend more time with her years-wise than I did with my own mom and dad. My mom and dad died young. They were younger than I am right now. My mom passed away from cancer at 52. And my dad had a heart attack a year, 1 month, and 10 days later. That was a tough time. Okay. So, my husband's girlfriend's very blessed. Get my water bottle down. And get this. I said I was going to go to the edge in case I wanted to tuck, but I didn't do that, but that's all right. I wonder if Margarete Miller is going to have this challenge next year. She was so late this year getting the prompts out that I don't think as many people did it. All right, now I just want to embellish. I got this pretty ribbon I wanted to use, so I'm just going to tack that on the neck of the water. I'm calling it a water bottle, but of the bottle. And I've got just a few things we can add. Maybe just a little something to add to it. There we go. And I have got, I thought about just adding a few pieces of this black and white washi tape. I can find it. There we go. Just a little something. Thought this would, oops, everything's sticking to me. It's been a day for me. It just seems like I can't hold on to anything. It just happens that way sometimes. I just kind of frame this out, I guess. And maybe one right here. Okay, I've got these little flowers. Kind of matches her shirt, some of them. So I think I want to just add a few around. I think they're pretty. Let's see if I can get it out. Maybe do some different colors too. Maybe that one down there. Yeah, I like that. So let me just get these down. Well, I guess we're in full festive season. If you celebrate Christmas. I have been shopping, not in the stores. I could care less about going to the stores anymore. I used to enjoy it. And it used to be a tradition for us to go do Black Friday. We would go to Tupelo, but my youngest son couldn't get off from work. And then, so we didn't get to go yesterday. And my oldest son, his girlfriend, wanted him to go to the party. So it all worked out because he had yesterday off. But when his brother couldn't get it off, because we like to go as a family. But my husband and I wasn't too terribly disappointed about not going. I don't do stores like I used to. All right. Probably should outline them, but I don't think I'm going to worry with it. Maybe a little gold around them. Just to help them to come from the background. Just a little bit that's left on my brush. Alright. I'm going to call that done. We have got a fragrant plant, something you can drink from, text in a foreign language, people, an illustration, and craft a brown paper. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up, hit that button if you want, and check that bell if you want to not miss a video of mine. I'd appreciate it. And leave a comment. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. Just whatever you want to say. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.